Good evening, everyone. This is Jaskaran Singh Sani. I am father of Jaskirat Kaur. She is a student for class second in Venkateshwar. So I was thinking about this for a long time, ever since we went ahead and had a discussion with the teachers to go ahead and come up and appreciate the outstanding effort that Venkateshwar staff has been putting in through this pandemic that's come in. So although we do not have the conventional school opened up, so we don't have the conventional classroom system, but the teachers have been overwhelmingly supportive of the work from home environment, wherein they are going ahead and taking out time and educating our kids, making sure that they do not lag behind. The other aspect which I was surprised, rather pleasantly surprised, was that this year the teachers had decided not to go ahead and go the conventional way. The ones that our parents went through and then I went through as well, wherein we used to go ahead and get a lot of holidays homework, and we used to invest a lot of time as kids going ahead and completing the activities that were given to us, and which was more of a bookish knowledge as compared to the overall development. So this time Venkateshwar has gone ahead and improvised. They've rather focused on the overall development of the children who are their responsibility. Hence, making sure that they not only invest time in their academic growth, they are going ahead and investing time in their overall nurturing of their respective talents and social activities, wherein at this point in time they are going ahead and getting time to go ahead and invest with their families, like paternal as well as maternal grandparents, where they're getting opportunities where they can go ahead and explore different relationships, I would rather say. And I would also go ahead and believe that this will go a long way, wherein it's about personality development, wherein they are getting the opportunity to explore different unconventional methods of going ahead and realizing as to what their true potential is. Academic growth is something which is vital, but as an individual, growth is more critical, because that is something that would go ahead and go a long way and will go ahead and help them in becoming a better citizen as well as a human being as well. So I would like to go ahead and thank Venkateshwar once again for going ahead and taking this onus, which a lot of academic institutions don't do. So it's really nice, and I would like to go ahead and just give my bit in encouraging the teachers who have been going ahead and investing a lot of time outside their own family. So thank you once again, teachers and faculty, and to the principal ma'am as well. So I hope you all are going ahead and having a bit of a pleasant experience with this new venture that Venkateshwar has come in. Thank you so much, and I hope to go ahead and see everyone again in short term. So have a good day ahead. Thank you.